Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows in an air fryer. This simple method transforms ordinary marshmallows into a delightful treat in just a few minutes. You'll achieve a perfectly golden brown exterior and a wonderfully melted, gooey center, all without the need for a campfire. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a classic dessert with minimal effort and maximum deliciousness, perfect for a quick snack or topping. Gathering your supplies is incredibly straightforward for this easy method. You'll need a bag of marshmallows, whether they are the standard large size or smaller mini ones, depending on your preference. Additionally, ensure you have some parchment paper to line your air fryer basket. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. A pair of kitchen tongs will also be useful for handling the warm, gooey treats safely. Now for the fun part, cooking. First, preheat your air fryer to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit for just 2 minutes. Next, line your air fryer basket with parchment paper and arrange your marshmallows in a single layer, ensuring they don't touch too much. Cook them for approximately 2 to 4 minutes, keeping a close eye on them. They will puff up and turn a beautiful golden brown very quickly. Once your marshmallows are perfectly toasted, it's time to enjoy them. They are fantastic served immediately with graham crackers and a piece of chocolate for a quick, indoor s'mores experience. You can also use them to top a warm cup of hot chocolate, a bowl of ice cream, or even a fruit crisp. Remember to always watch them carefully during cooking, as they can go from perfectly golden to burnt in a matter of seconds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.